This is March the 3rd of 2021, LA River, and we just had like a little rainfall here. Not as flooded as last year. I'm still waiting for another one in April, but this is March, so you can see, guys. Again, not as the last year, and I'll put it on the description if you want to see last year's. But we had some rainfall today, and now the sun's out. I think next week we're gonna have another rainfall. Just thought I did this for you guys. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the sun is coming out. It's about 50 degrees. It feels kind of chilly. Hopefully you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.